All right, this is the Algebra 2 Unit 8 Lesson 2 video over transformations of exponential functions. But really what this unit is most about is just adding another layer to exponential functions around this number e, which is a mathematical constant. And your calculator has it built into it. So when you type y equals e to the x, it's using that constant as the e value. So I could type e here and you can see there's that value right there. But when you type this, it's making an exponential function out of that value. The actual information you need, or not the information, but the skills you're going to use are the same as the previous lesson. You're going to be first answer some vocab questions, read over the boldface stuff for these. When you get to number 4, it's more of the same. You're going to type these equations in and then determine which graph is where based on that. So like if I was going to type these equations in, I would have e to the 2x and then y equals e raised to the 3x. And then I would see that the 3x is above the 2x over here on the positive section. So then that would help me determine that it is the solid line, the 3. And so you're just going to go through like that. So same thing with number 5, graph the 2 points, graph the 2 lines down here, and then determine which line is the dotted and which one's the solid. Same thing with number 7. That one you could probably figure out without even graphing if you look at the equations. But you're typing these equations in and then choosing the correct graphs. Same thing with all the way through number 8, all of them. So all of this section through number 8, you're just graphing and matching. Pretty straightforward. Remember that the center of ellipses are found in the numerator of the 2 fractions. So it's going to come from the x plus 2 and the y minus 5. You need to find the 0 of x plus 2 and the 0 of y minus 5. In other words, what can I plug in for x to make this equal 0? And what can I plug in for y to make y minus 5 equal 0? The 2 answers to those questions are the values for the x and the y of the center. Find the quotient. You can use synthetic division or long division to do number 10. If you have questions about those, I can give you video links to when we covered that in the previous lessons. That is it for lesson 2.